Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another episode of me fixing my beloved SL500 2001 Mercedes. In this episode, my EGR valve is giving me problems. Basically, I get a exhaust flow malfunction error code every once in roughly 500 miles. So I'm pretty positive the valve is still working great, but maybe it's just dirty inside or one of the vacuum lines is a little bit ripped. So I'm pretty positive I don't need to change the valve itself. Just take it apart, clean it, and change the lines. So moving forward, the first step will be to take off the air filters. Pretty easy, just a few clips, and it's out. We can see the EGR valve sits right over here. And to take it apart, we'll have to take apart the MAF sensor assembly over here. Shouldn't be too rough. There's a little clip down here that you press and it basically pulls the whole unit apart. We need to take the sensor out and we need to take one PCV line that goes on the other side as well. And basically the whole assembly is going to get out. So we'll start with the connector over here. Two clips, just wiggle it out. There it is. Not broken, that's good. We have that line. It goes inside here somewhere into the MAF sensor. We just need to pull it out. Gotta be very gentle. There's a lot of lines over here. We don't want to break anything. Okay, the line is out. So basically the MAF sensor is free to take out. Coming back to the other side, there's a little clip over here that we want to pull and wiggle it out. Should be very gentle with it. Don't want to break anything because it will be a big bummer. So just very gently. Okay, took the MAF sensor out. Just this part. Plastic one. Didn't mean to do that, but it's out. We can take that thing also out. No, easier. Yeah. Okay. The whole assembly is out. You can see the PCV line that we disconnected earlier from this. That part goes like that. That's the clips. We just click to get it loose. To clear a little bit more space, we want to unplug this PCV line that goes into the triangle just to clear up the way a little bit. And now we can start disassembling the EGR valve. So we want to start by unhooking this clip that controls the EGR. There it goes. We have a vacuum line that connects right underneath the metal line. We want to unhook that. It's free. You can already see it's cracked, so that might be a big cause of the problem. Now we got to start unbolting some stuff. I'll start with the two bolts that hold the metal line into the block. It's supposed to be E10 bolts. Let me just confirm it. Yep, there are E10 heads. Fairly easy access. Shouldn't be a problem opening them up. So let's start with the first one. Yep. It's not tight at all. Perfect. Yep, the second one came right out. Two small bolts are out. The line is now pretty much free. Next step, we will try and crack loose this nut over here. I hope it'll be easy enough. I have access with my wrenches. Let's see. Okay, I have no room here, so I'll try just disconnecting the line outside of the car. Let's follow up with the other two bolts. mounting the EGR valve. So in order to get better access to the bolt hidden over here, I'll try and disconnect the injector plug over here. Just 2 clips and it goes out. Now I have a little bit more room. Let me just take that line out completely as well. Okay. Now I have tons of room. I can access that bolt fairly easily. Let's crack it open. Doesn't want to crack loose. Let's try with the other one. Grab a filling. Oh. Oh, fuck. It's pretty tight. I'll spray it with some penetration. WD-40 first. See if you do anything. Because I don't want to strip those bolts. If I will, I have no idea how I'll take them out. Let's see. Okay. That one's cracked loose. Let's go with the other one. Okay. Definitely put the socket first and then use the extension. The extension won't go all the way in. I'll have enough grip to crack it open. And that way you don't... Whew, that was scary. You don't break the bolt. Okay, you did. That's good. Has lots of Loctite on it, so that's why it's so hard to get. The other bolt is out as well. And basically the whole assembly should be free and we should be able to pull it out. Just wiggle it around a little bit. I was able to open the nut with a vice grip. It's all rusty in here. So just put the EGR valve out. All right, EGR. Oh, okay. And it's out. Let's go to the cleaning. I don't know if you saw the lines. The line here is cracked completely. That's probably the root cause. Yeah, let's get to the cleaning. Okay, so the next part will be cleaning everything. Obviously, I will be using some isopropyl alcohol, some gloves, and a lot of shop paper towel. I'll start by cleaning that part because I'm going to touch it a lot. Just, oh man, it's pretty burnt. Bummer. Doesn't really matter, it goes inside the engine, it's supposed to be dirty. But it's just for OCD purposes. I'll use basically just I'll go like that at first. We'll have some like that. I'll go in with the zip tie. Let it go crazy inside as far as I can reach. Just like that. Try to clear up all the gunk. Yeah, it's pretty dirty inside. I'll go from the other side as well. Okay, now that I've done that, I'll insert the other side as well, so it'll be a little bit more rough. Let's go like that. Yep. Okay, now that I cleaned the major gunk inside, I'll just pour some alcohol and just shake it. So put it inside. Use paper towels on both ends. Just like give it a good shake. That's pretty gross. I feel like that is a lot better for now. Original Mercedes-Benz vacuum line from FCP Euro. I think the inner dimension is 0.5 millimeter too big. But just like one easy way to confirm if it's good or not is just check the fit over here. Seems pretty tight. Seems alright. I don't know. Yeah, I think that'll work. Oh. So what I'll do is I'll just try and mimic the lines one by one. And assembly, the reverse process of the disassembly. I'll see you after that. Just wanted to show you guys one more last thing. There's another gasket sitting right over here where the EGR valves goes. Make sure to take it off, clean the surface, and put a brand new one before you assemble it back again.